Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top next to three dots. Now select text correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection. If the switcher is gray, that means that autocorrection is off, but you can always switch it back on by clicking on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!